Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial, we are going to write a program in Python to check whether a number is even or odd. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, let's understand the logic of program. So what is an even number? Basically, any number which is divisible by 2 is known as even number. Let's say 4. It's an even number. Why? Because it is divisible by 2. That means if we divide 4 by 2, then we will get the remainder as 0. Again, let's take another example. Let's say 5. Then it's not an even number, it's odd. Because when we try to divide 5 by 2, then we get 1 as a remainder. So the clear cut logic that we can make out is that if we divide any number by 2 and if we are getting 0 as the remainder, then we will say that it's even. If we won't get 0 as the remainder, then we will say that it's odd. Now talking in terms of programming, then we can find the remainder of two dividing numbers with the help of an operator called modulo operator. So this is what modulo operator looks like. Now let's quickly move to VS Code and start writing the program. So first of all, let's create a new file and let's say the name of the file is even or odd.py. Now let me write the program first so that after it we can quickly understand the logic. So from the program you can see that at line 1 first of all we have created a variable called num. So in that only we are keeping the number. Now in line number 2 first of all there is a check. What check is that? So it is checking if the number that means if our variable num is divided by 2, is its remainder 0. So this is what modulo operator is. So with the help of modulo operator we can find the remainder. So we are telling that is their remainder 0. If it turns out to be true, that means if the remainder is 0, that is the number is divisible by 2, and hence in line number 3 we are printing the number is even. But if that's not the case, that means if the remainder is not 0, that simply means that the number is not even. So it will eventually go to line number 4, that is the else part, and then after it will move to line number 5 and it will print the number is odd. So this was the very small concept of how to make or how to program in Python to in order to print if a number is even or odd. I hope you understood the concept, but still if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. So this was all about the video. Thank you.